Hello, welcome to this presentation. I'm Morris Dimba. Today we are going straight to part 3 of fuel station modeling. Right here we have it. We'll start working on straight away on this. Come to steel beam. Prior to that, we want to check a measurement from this end. Click edit, click measure, free measure. Want to check this measurement from that end to this end. This is approximately 1 meter. Perfect. Now our next move, we'll just come here and can click beam from this end to this end. Perfect. Double click on this. This can be done by first of all clicking. You come to beam, pick beam. Once you've picked beam profile, you type that, you double click on that and change this profile to C build, and you will be able to change all this. Like the height was 1 meter, but I preferred placing 1.1 meter. This extension I preferred to be, maybe I can place it 100 can be okay. Thickness of the of that plate, I can give it maybe 16 millimeter. This also 16 millimeter. Just go ahead and click apply and accept. Modify, apply and accept. Click that, and that's it. Prior to making any step further, let me show you one thing. This one came as a default because I tried to do that before, so it has just picked it instantly. Now I'll come here, I'll double click on this, apply and accept. I want to show you how this came about. I'll come to steel beam. I'll click this end, I'll click that part and run all the way to the other part, to this end. I'll click here. This is a steel beam. Now I want to convert this steel beam to a shaped plate of a C shape, of a C. Now I'll come here and double click this. Under attributes, I'll change this profile. I'll change this profile to plate. Just type PLT of that thickness by 1.1 meters. Go ahead and apply, modify and accept. It has changed to a plate, which we've already down here, but this I'm just demonstrating on how this came about. Now I'll double click on this and come to profile. On profile, I'll scroll up to a C built profile. I'll come up with this. Now on inside here, I'll change all this. I give that to be 1.1 meters. This was 100. This was 100. This was 16 millimeter, and this was 16 millimeter. 16 millimeter. You go ahead and click apply and do the same here. You'll actually see it's taking the shape, the same shape of the previous one. They are similar. This and this are similar. So a reason why I was doing this is because I did this previously. So the moment I started it, it picked it as a default. So that is the reason I'm trying to demonstrate on how this came about. Now, once you've understood that, I'll go ahead and click on it, right click and delete it, because it has no use for us now. Once you've got the idea of how to come up with this, it's very important. Now I'll come here, right click, I'll click move, or instead clicking move, double click on this, come to position and come to front. It will shift its position upward. Rotate this, click that and turn that round. Slightly, we'll move this downward by clicking on it and click move and snap on at any point here and type 20 or 50 will be okay. We need to move it slightly down again. Click that and turn this round. Click move from here to here by 30. Perfect, we'll leave it there. Turn this round. Now from here, I'll click this again, snap there, place your cursor there and type 150 and enter that, just to offset it away from the edge of these purlins. Turn this round. It's still touching the column, which is not good. Come here, click move, snap there, place your cursor there and type 250. That's a better move or a better offset. Now this is it. This is exactly what we want to handle. Now, next thing, once you've highlighted that, we want to use this edge as our mirror line. Right click, click mirror, right there and right here. Click copy and accept. Okay, undo this, click that, come to view, come to our plane tool. We'll place our mirror, our axis here. Place our axis there. We've highlighted that. We'll go ahead and right click, click mirror, click mirror there and down here. Copy and accept. Right click, interrupt that, come to navigate under view and turn this round. It is actually taking a shape that we intend to use. We'll come to steel beam, click that, Now snap there and run all the way to this end, right there. Perfect. Come to view, rotate with mouse, double click on this, come to position, give it a back rotation, and come to depth, give it below or behind or front, give it left. Perfect. Apply. Come to navigate, rotate this, now what we are going to do, come to edit, come to measure, confirm the thickness of that is 16, should be 16 from here to here is 16. Now we want this to sit on top of this, so what we want to do is to increase this by 32. We double click on this, and give this 32, and this one not really, this will remain as 16, and we'll add here 32. Let's bring this closer and go ahead and apply and accept. Once I've clicked that, I'll just snap here and bring it and snap it there. Come to view, navigate, turn this round like that. Perfect. Now I'll come to special copy, mirror, and prior to doing that, I want to make sure that my axis is on the right direction. I'll come to view, and I'll just place my axis somewhere here, as long as the orientation is the same with my mirror line. Now I'll come to special copy, mirror. I'll come to any point here that will show me the middle point right there. And right there. I'll go ahead and click copy and accept. I'll find the same thing copied on this end. Now if I switch my view to view C, I'll be able to see this. I'll be able to see this. I'll be able to see this. Let's switch back to isometric view. Turn this round. Now I'll come here and check the measurements from here. Just zoom out from there to here. the 397, which is not really accurate. We need an accurate measurement, not an imaginary dimensions. Now we'll come to edit, measure, from there to here, that's 400. Now I'll come on steel beam. I'll just click down here and place my cursor there and type 6 meters. I'll enter that. Come to view, rotate this. Click that, come to position and rotate this down, middle, modify and accept, navigate, rotate that. Double click on this, come to position or attributes, change this to 420, apply and accept. Turn this round. I'll click on this and come here on this cube and be able to turn this round like this up to 90 and leave it there. Come here, click this and turn round. Click this, click move from here to here. Move this again. Come here, click that and place it there. You need an accurate position to place that. Now I'll come here, click this, click move. I'll snap right in the middle here and come and place it here. Come to navigate, rotate this. Now I'll click this, come and click that, right click, special copy mirror. I want to use this as my mirror line down here and here. Click that and click copy. Accept. Now I'll double click on this and come here and I'll adjust this to 150. To 150, apply and accept. Now navigate, rotate this, click this, come to move, snap here and bring it here. Come to navigate, rotate with mouse and turn this round. come here, rotate this accurately, double click on this, we'll reduce that 120, apply and accept, come to navigate, right click, click move from here to here, come again and turn this round, right click, click copy, mirror, from there to here, click copy, double click that, change this to 30 or 128, apply and accept, turn this until it fits perfectly well, click move from here to there, move from here to here, turn this round, move from here, not perfectly movement, not a perfect move. Now click that, zoom out, snap right down here and join it with this end, and turn this round, double click on this, position 5 5, five 200, 5 300, apply and accept, navigate, turn this round, double click on this and change this to 5, apply and accept, come to navigate, click this and turn this round, click move, from this spot to that spot, now click that, come to mirror, take this as our mirror line, down there and accept that, navigate, rotate this, as simple as this, and pick this, press Ctrl and pick that, click copy from here to here, press Ctrl, that and this, copy from here to here, and to here, navigate, rotate this, Now you can switch to C, view C, and this is what we have at the moment. Switch to isometric view. We'll come to concrete, footing, pad footing. Press Ctrl 2. We want to place this right in the middle there. Expand. We'll come to column. Right there. Double click on the column. Come to position. Bring this to 0. Top, bring this to 0. Accept that. Come to attributes. Drag this aside. Bring this to 500. Apply that. And bring this to 350. You can increase this to 200. $550. Perfect, and you're done with that. You can double click on this. Of course, we don't need any grouting. We'll cancel that. Now I'll click this, or prior to clicking that, I'll press Ctrl 4. I'll click this, press Ctrl. I'll click this, press Ctrl and pick that. Right click, click copy. From here to here. Copy. From there to here. Now press Ctrl, that and this. Right click, click copy. From here to here. And to that place. And we're almost done for today's presentation. We'll proceed in part 4. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm Maurice Dimba, and let's meet on the next presentation, where we will be discussing on how to put a nice finishing on the rafter, and bolting of this plate, or attaching it to the main rafter. Thanks a lot, and bye bye. Let's meet then. Remember to save your work after doing all those changes. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye.